January 20th, 2019. First installment. It's January 20th, 2019. This will be my first official installment of this 1 minute. It's now January 20th, 2019. January 20th, 2019. As part of this ongoing attempt to mark 1 minute a day by talking to myself into this phone, I have given myself a discipline to steal away for 1 minute a day and talk into this phone. In the very near future, if not already, 1 minute each day to tell you what I think is the most important thing to keep in mind. A minute's a very long time, actually. You get a lot done in a minute, except for things that take longer.